Suppose that u depends on two independent variables x and y. We have ux and uy are notations for first order partial derivative of u with respect to independent variables x and y. Similarly, uxx, uxy and uyy denotes second order partial derivative of u with respect to the notated independent variables. Uxx denotes second order partial derivative of u with respect to independent variable x, wherein partial differentiation is carried out with respect to x two times. Uyy denotes partial derivative of u with respect to independent variable y, wherein we carry out partial differentiation of u with respect to independent variable y two times. Similarly, in case of uxy, we carry out partial derivative of u with respect to both independent variables x and y. The general format of linear partial differential equation of second order is given by this equation. We have represented coefficients of uxx, uxy and uyy using the notations a of xy, b of xy and c of xy respectively. These functions may be functions in independent variables x and y or may be constants as well. Apart from these three terms, there will be terms in PDE involving x, y, u, which are independent variables as well as dependent variable, along with first order partial derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variables. In order to classify this second order partial differential equation as elliptic, parabolic or hyperbolic, we will evaluate b square minus 4ac, where b is the coefficient of uxy, a is the coefficient of uxx and c is the coefficient of uyy. If b square minus 4ac is strictly less than 0, we say that partial differential equation will be elliptic. If b square minus 4ac equals 0, we classify the partial differential equation as parabolic. If b square minus 4ac is strictly greater than 0, PDE is classified as hyperbolic. Let us solve a problem in order to identify to which class the given partial differential equation will belong to. In the first equation, we have capital A will be the coefficient of uxx, which is 1, capital B will be the coefficient of uxy, which is 4, and capital C will be the coefficient of uyy, which is 4. Thus we have b square minus 4ac equals 4 square minus 4 times 1 multiplied to 4, which equals 0. Since b square minus 4ac equals 0, we have this partial differential equation will be classified as parabolic. In the second partial differential equation, we have capital A equals coefficient of uxx, which is x square, capital B equals coefficient of uxy, which is absent here and hence capital B equals 0, capital C equals coefficient of uyy, which is the function 1 minus y square. Here it is given that x belongs to the range minus infinity to infinity, that is x takes real values, and y belongs to the range open interval minus 1, 1. When we consider x belonging to the range minus infinity to infinity, we have x square will always be positive value because square of any real number will always be positive. When you consider y belongs to the range minus 1 to 1, we have y square will be less than 1. Suppose you take y equals 0, which is inside this open interval. We have 0 square is strictly less than 1. Therefore, we have y square minus 1 will be strictly less than 0. When you evaluate b square minus 4ac, we obtain b square minus 4ac equals 0 minus 4 times x square multiplied to 1 minus y square, because we have capital A equals x square, capital B equals 0 and capital C equals 1 minus y square. We have evaluated x square is always positive and 1 minus y square is always strictly less than 0, from which we come to the conclusion that when this negative sign is multiplied to 1 minus y square, it becomes y square minus 1. So we get b square minus 4ac equals 4 times x square multiplied to y square minus 1. Since 4 and x square are greater than 0 and y square minus 1 is evaluated as less than 0, this complete product will be strictly less than 0. Since b square minus 4ac is strictly less than 0, we have this partial differential equation with these given ranges for the independent variables will be elliptic. In the third partial differential equation, we have capital A equals coefficient of uxx, which is 1 plus x square, capital B equals coefficient of uxt which is 5 plus 2x square, and capital C equals coefficient of utt which is 4 plus x square. Here we have two independent variables are x and t. We have B will be the coefficient of mixed partial derivative which is uxt. When we evaluate b square minus 4ac, we obtain 5 plus 2x square the whole square minus 4 times 1 plus x square multiplied to 4 plus x square. We can expand this term using a plus b the whole square formula, and when these two factors are multiplied, we get this term. On simplification, we obtain b square minus 4ac equals 9, which is strictly greater than 0. Hence, we have this partial differential equation will be hyperbolic.